Alright, so this year I'm going to be doing a lot more videos out and about. So I want to show you my new little portable vlogging kit. In this video we're going to break it down and show you all the components. And here it is. Ta-da! G'day guys, I'm Ben Amos from Engage Video Marketing, and on this channel I share tips, tricks and strategies to help you engage your ideal audience with effective online video content. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so that you get each new video each and every Wednesday as it comes out. Okay, so let's talk about the Osmo Action Camera as a vlogging camera. First of all, I wanted to share with you my reasons for choosing a portable vlogging kit like this, rather than using like the camera that we're shooting on right now, which is the Canon C200. Now, amazing camera, the Canon C200, but when it comes to shooting video content on the go, it's clearly not the most practical thing. So the reason why I've gone with this kit right here is I want to be able to produce content on the go and on the fly and not be bogged down by gear and equipment. So what we've got here is the Osmo Action. Now the Osmo Action camera is inside the Ulanzi vlog case, and I'll show you that one in a minute. And on top here we've got a little Ulanzi LED light, which is pretty cool. And then on the side we've got the Rode Video Micro. And of course all of this is sitting on the awesome SwitchPod. Now the SwitchPod is an invention that's come out recently by both Pat Flynn and Caleb Wojcik, and I backed this little project on Kickstarter, and the SwitchPod's awesome. So the idea behind the SwitchPod is that you can quickly convert from vlogging mode like this, and then just flick it on out, and then you're suddenly in tripod mode. So let's have a look at each of these individual components in a bit more detail. Right, first of all, let's take a closer look at the SwitchPod. So the SwitchPod, like I said before, is designed to convert from a vlogging mode camera, easily handheld with these pretty groovy grips here that allows you to grip with two hands or one hand. And the good thing about using this kit here is it's pretty light, so you don't need the two-handed grip. And then it can quickly flick out or switch into the tripod mode. You've got this standard screw thread here, which enables it to connect into any camera. So I can put something like the large C200 on here, although it may be a little bit heavy, but it's perfect for what we've got right here. So what enables me to get the Osmo Action camera onto a tripod like this, because by default it doesn't come with a screw thread on the bottom, is this little guy here, which is the Ulanzi vlogging case. Now the Ulanzi, you can get this from Amazon. The Ulanzi case is made of solid aluminium, so it's really well built, and it just comes off the back there, and then you can just slot your Osmo Action right on in there, and it keeps it perfectly safe, which is cool. And the best thing about it, as well as the screw mount on the bottom, is now you're enabled with two different shoe mounts for various accessories. So that's where we can get the little LED light and put that straight on top. And on the side here, we're just hanging off the Rode Video Micro. Now the Rode Video Micro is perfect for this because it is micro, it is small, but it also just seriously improves the sound quality that you get straight out of the Osmo Action. And I want to point out that by default, the Osmo Action camera doesn't have any external audio capabilities. So what you actually need to do is to purchase this little USB adapter. Now this little guy is by Sinova. So Sinova Osmo Action Dual 3.5 USB-C adapter, and that enables it to just connect straight into the side here in the USB-C adapter port there, and then you can connect the microphone straight in and away you go. Now the Video Micro, if we were filming indoors only, we don't need the dead cat on there or the fluffy thing, but definitely if you're filming outside in any sort of windy environment, then you want to be able to take that with you and just slot that on there so that it removes any wind noise out of the shot as well. So the other thing I love about using the Osmo Action for this kind of vlogging is the front-facing screen, which is definitely a benefit over why you choose maybe the Osmo Action over, say, a GoPro Hero 8, for example, which is a camera that you could use in a very similar setup. But by using the front-facing screen there, you're able to have a nice clear shot to make sure that you're framed up correctly at all times as well. So there you have it, short but simple review What I'll do now is I'm going to put this bad boy back together and wander outside where it's raining today as well, so you probably hear a bit of background noise and wind noise, and we'll go for a little walk with this and see how it works and what the quality, both sound and vision, is like. Let's go. Alright, so one of the benefits of the Osmo Action that I didn't talk about before is the rock steady feature, which means that even though I'm handheld here on the SwitchPod, it's actually inbuilt stabilization that works really, really well. I guess the other benefit of using the Osmo Action is that it's 100% waterproof, okay? And on a day like today where it's actually starting to rain right now, I'm not worried about the camera, so that's awesome. So I hope this has been useful to you, and if you're interested in checking out the Osmo Action, you can have a look at some of the links in the description. But a little bit out of the ordinary for me for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this sort of a review gear type video. It's a bit new to me. Hopefully I went all right. All right, see you soon, guys.